Hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain you exercise number 4. Question number first. Add the following. First part 1/3 and 4/3. This is the question and we have to add these numbers. So first of all what we will do, in place of and we have to put plus sign because we have to add these two fractions. Now in both the numbers denominators are same, so in such case LCM will be 3 only because both the denominators are same. Now 3 1 ja 3, so 1 into numerator is 1 plus 3 1 ja 3, 1 into numerator is 4. Now on multiply these numbers, 1 multiply 1 will be 1, 1 multiply 4 will be 4 upon 3, 4 plus 1 will be 5 upon 3. So this is your final answer of part number first. Now see another part number third part, 4 upon minus 5 and 7 upon 5. So first of all what you have to do, this minus sign is in the denominator, so this minus you have to bring in the numerator. So first of all what we will do, this minus we will bring in the numerator, so this is minus 4 upon 5. In place of and we will take plus sign, 7 upon 5. Now denominators are same, so LCM of 5 and 5 will be 5, 5 1 ja 5, so 1 multiply with the numerator is minus 4 plus 5 1 ja 5, 1 multiply with numerator is 7. So 1 into minus 4 answer will be minus 4, 1 into 7 answer will be 7 upon 5. On solving it we will get the answer, minus 4 plus 7 will be 3 upon 5. So this is your final answer of part number 3rd. Now see another part number 6, sixth part. Part number 6, 5 upon 11. In place of and we will put plus sign, minus 7 upon minus 11. These numbers are having minus sign and before these minus plus is also coming, so we will use the bracket here. And another thing, both numerator and denominator are having minus sign, so we will cancel these minus sign. So question is 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11, and 11 and 11 LCM when we will take, answer will be LCM will be 11, 11 1 ja 11, 1 into 5, 11 1 ja 11, 1 into 7. On solving it, 5 plus 7 upon 11, answer is 12 upon 11. So this is your final answer of part number 6. Now see another question number 2nd. Remaining parts are same, so those remaining parts you have to try by yourself. Now question number 2nd. Heading of the question is same, we have to add. Second part, 3 upon 5. In place of and we will take plus sign, minus 2 upon 7 we will take in the bracket because plus and minus are coming together, so we will use the bracket. Now what we will do, 3 upon 5 we will write as it is, plus and minus will be minus. After that we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. What are denominator numbers? One is 5 and another is 7. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 7. 35 will be the LCM. 5 7 ja 35. So 7 into 3. 7 5 ja 35. 5 into numerator number is 2. Now 7 3 ja 21. 5 2 ja 10 upon 35. Now we will subtract these number, 11 upon 35 is the final answer. Now another part number 7. 7 part, 7 upon minus 24. In place of n, we will put plus sign. Minus 5 upon minus 18. Both minus in numerator and denominator we will cancel, and this minus in the denominator we will bring in the numerator. So this is minus 7 upon 24 plus 5 upon 8. Now next step is we have to find the LCM of 24 and 18. We will do here in the rough work. 2 12 24, 2 9 18. These two are not coming in a table of 2. Only one number is coming in a table of 2. So in order to save a time, we will take such number in which both these 12 and 9 will come. So such table is a 3. In a 3 table, both the number is coming. So we will write here 3 4 12, 3 3 9. Now these two are not coming in a same table. So no need to solve it further. We will directly write here LCM is 2 into 3 into these two numbers also, 4 into 3. So 3 to ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 into 3, 72. So finally we got the LCM 72. So what we will do, we will write here 72 is the LCM. 24 3 ja 72. So 3 multiply numerator number. Numerator is minus 7. Because of this minus sign, we have to use here bracket. Plus 18 table we will read 18 4 ja 72. Multiply with numerator 5. Now plus minus, minus 7 3 ja 21 plus 5 4 ja 20 upon 72. This is minus sign and this is plus sign. So minus plus minus. So we will subtract these numbers. On subtracting we will get 1. But among these two, which one is greater? 21 is greater. If we will not see the sign, then among 20 and 21, which is greater? 21 is greater. What is the sign of 21 here? Minus. So we will write here in the answer also minus. So our final answer is minus 1 upon 72. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 2nd. Now all of you see question number 3rd. First part, 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. So here in this question, two signs are coming together. So we have to take the bracket first. Now what we will do, we will solve this bracket first. Plus and minus will become minus. So 1 upon 3 as it is, plus 7 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. This is the question. Now what we will do, we will take the LCM. LCM, all these denominator are same. So LCM will be 3. 3 1 ja 3. 1 into 1 will be 1. Plus 3 1 ja 3. 1 into 7 will be 7. Minus 3 1 ja 3. 1 into 2 when we will do, answer will be 2. 7 plus 1 8 minus 2 upon 3. So final answer is 6 upon 3. These two numbers are cancelled with a table of 3. 3 2 ja 6. So final answer is 2. Now see another part, part number 4. In this, here in the denominator minus sign is there. So this minus we will bring in the numerator. So question is 7 upon 12 plus 3 upon 8 plus minus 5 upon 4. Now double sign are coming, so we have to use bracket. 7 upon 12 plus 3 upon 8 plus minus minus 5 upon 4. Now we will find the LCM of 12, 8 and 4. 12, 8, 4. All these numbers are coming in a table of 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Again with a table of 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now with a table of 2, only this one number is divisible, so we will not do it with 2. Now we will check with 3. With a table of 3 also, only one number is divisible. So these two are not coming in a same table, so we will leave it further. We will not solve it. We will leave it here only. So LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So LCM is 24. 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 . 24 12 2 ja 24, 2 into 7 14, 8 3 ja 24, 3 into 3 9, 4 6 ja 24, 6 into 5 30. Now we will add these numbers. 9 plus 14 23 minus 30 upon 24. On solving these two, plus and minus, so we will subtract them. Answer will be 7. Among them 30 is greater, 30 is minus sign, so here we will put minus upon 24. So this is your final answer of part number 4. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of this question number 3rd, and question number 4th is also exactly same as this question number 3rd. So that question also you have to do by yourself. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Express each of the following rational number as a sum of integer and a rational number. Fifth, first part. 13 upon 6 is given. First of all, we will change in a mixed fraction. 6 2 ja 12. Remainder will be 1. So 1 we will write upside upon 6. So here we are getting 2 whole 1 upon 6. So what we will do now? Here we have to show this number as a sum. So in order to show it as a sum, what we will do? We will write it as 2 plus 1 upon 6. So here it is integer and here it is a rational number. So here we have shown as a sum of integer and rational number. So what is the heading of the question? Heading of the question is we have to show this number as a sum. So here we have shown plus sign, that means this is a sum of integer and a rational number. So like this you have to do question number 5th. Now see another part also, part number 2nd. Minus 7 upon 3. In this minus sign is also coming, so no problem. This minus we will take in the beginning. 3 2 ja 6, remainder will be 1. So finally in the mixed fraction we are getting here minus 2 whole 1 upon 3. Now this minus we have to write in the beginning. In between, as we have done here, same what we will do. Here we will use the bracket because of this minus sign, and here in between we will put plus sign. So 2 plus 1 upon 3. Now next step, this minus we have to multiply inside with both the number. So when we will multiply this minus inside, so minus plus minus 2, this plus sign we will write as it is, because in the heading of the question it is written we have to show this answer as a sum. Sum means plus, so plus is compulsory. Now this minus also will go inside, so this minus we have to write with 1. So this will be minus 1 upon 3. So this is your final answer of part number 7. So like this you have to do question number 5. Now see last question, question number 6. Sixth question. Anshaj walked 2 upon 5 km from place P towards the north. This is the place P where Anshaj is standing. So this is the initial position of Anshaj. Initial means in the beginning he was standing here at this P point and he moved towards the north. Upside, north means upside, he moved how much? 2 upon 5 km. After reaching this point, he took a turn, and after that he went toward the south. First he went in the north. After reaching here, he had taken U-turn, and after that he went in the south direction. How many distance? How much distance? 1 whole 2 upon 3 km. 1 whole 2 upon 3 means when we will change this 1 whole 2 upon 3, we will get 5 upon 3. And he reached here. So this is his final position. He started his journey from this P place. Now he is standing at So we have to find the distance between these two positions. We have to find the distance between these two positions. So in order to find this much distance, we have to subtract. What we will do? In the question it is written, what is his position from P now? So you will write, he is standing in south direction of P. Why I am writing south of P? Because this is the P and now he is standing downside. If you will see the direction east, west, north, south. This is the place P. And now he is standing downside. Downside means here he is standing. That means this is in the south position. So he is standing in south of P. And how much distance? For that we have to subtract it. Which one is the larger distance? Longer distance is this one. Longer distance is 5/3 minus shorter distance 2/5. Now in order to subtract these, we have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 5, 15. 3 5 ja 15, 5 into 5, 25. Minus 5 3 ja 15, 3 into 2, 6. On subtracting these two, we will get 19/15. So this is your final answer of question number 6. So now this exercise is over. You all have to do these questions in your fair notes.